particular day. So as you can see, this is a particular user or particular dashboard for the for creation of list of business. uh, as you can see, on the left hand side in this particular user, there are four menu has been assigned to this particular user. The menus are create, pending, submitted, or annexure. In the middle pane you can see there is a create lob text area where you can see the house, current house of your assembly, current session of your assembly, session date drop down, and session time. So for creating a list of business or agenda of a particular day, the LOB users firstly simply select the session date from the drop down. After selecting a session date from the drop down, our system will ask you in which language do you want to create a LOB. If in your assembly the list of business is created in English language, you simply select this English radio button. After selecting this English radio button, this type of enter business item form will be open. Suppose in your assembly, the list of business will be uh, creating in local language or a regional language for according to your Vidhan Sabha or Vidhan Parishad. You simply click on the local radio button, and some of the state or some of the assembly or a council has has created LOB in both language, in English as well as in regional language. For that purpose, we have given one radio button for creating LOB in both language. For that, you simply click on the both radio button. Then this type of business item form will be open, in which, as you can see, the business content form or the business content text area will be open in two text language editor, where you can create accordingly. So for testing purpose, I am creating a one agenda for a day in English language. After selecting the language in which you have to creating a list of winners for a particular day, then firstly you have to select the event type. Suppose your in your uh, LOB or the agenda of the day, the first event is your question hour. For that, firstly you have to select the question or event from the event type drop down. Then after selecting the event type, the serial number of your event will be. So after selecting the language in which the user want to create a agenda for the particular day, then firstly the user need to select the event. Suppose the in your LOB or the list of business, the first event is your question hour. For that, the user need to select the event from the event type drop down. Then there is a provision to search the event from this drop down. Then after selecting the event type from the drop down, user need to select the serial number as a 1. Then he has to enter the text of the for the particular event like question hour in the text editor. After entering in this text area, we have given multiple options like bolding this particular text, Italian underline. If you want to add a bulleted point in this particular text area, you can also add the bulletin. If you want to add some link in the particular list of business, you can also add the link, and some of the other features will be added in this text area while creating a list of business for the particular day. After entering the text of the particular event, on the bottom of the page there are one column called upload paper from the local system. Suppose if first event has a attachment in your list of business, we have given one provision to attach a PDF for the particular event. So simply you have to select the file from your local system, then attach here. Then after attaching the file, firstly you have to upload first, then you have to select the save for saving this particular event. As you can see, before selecting or uploading a file for the particular event, there is a provision for log pdf for house and log pdf for members, which means the document which LOB user has attaching, there has a provision to log the PDF for the house or the employees for the assembly or the members of the assembly in the ebook. Suppose if you want to log the PDF, he simply select the checkbox log PDF for member and log PDF for house. After selecting log PDF for house, firstly user need to click on the upload button. Then he has to click on the save button. After entering the first event of the list of business, the list of business will be shown in the line record as event by event in the line record list or the drop down. As you can see, we have created one event in the particular list of business like questionnaire. If there is an attachment, you can see here. And previously I have we have logged the particular PDF for the particular event. So in this PDF you can see the log thing will be shown to the particular PDF. On the every line of particular agenda, there is a action button or the action thing where you can select if a user want to update the particular event, he simply click on the update button, then he has to update the particular event line. Then if he wants to delete the particular line of content uh, for the particular list of business, he can simply delete the particular event accordingly. And if he wants to add a line above for the in particular event, he can simply add a line above by clicking on this button. So as you can see, we have created one event like questionnaire. Then for suppose there is a sub event of the particular event, how we can add a sub event or the sub event of the sub event for the particular event. For similarly, suppose in questionnaire there is a sub event and sub event of a sub event for the particular event, how we can add the sub event. For simply similarly, you have to select the event from the drop down as questionnaire. Then the serial number one will be as one. So while creating a sub event of the particular event, you simply select in serial number 2 as a 1. Then you have to enter the sub event of the particular event like start question. If there is any attachment related to this event, you can attach here, or if there is no attachment, you can save this particular line of content of the particular agenda. After saving this particular line or the agenda particular event of the agenda, it will show as one of a one as a start question in the questionnaire. So if you want to see how it will show in the PDF of the agenda, for that he simply click on the pending button, then go to the original. So in this type, the sub event of the particular event will be shown in your PDF format. Similarly, if you want to edit or create one more event in this particular list of business, similarly if you want to edit enter the second event like a motion or a statutory resolution, similarly you have to select the event type from the drop down from the event type. Then you have to enter the serial number 1 as a 2 for adding second event of the particular LOB. After that, you have to enter the text area of the particular event. Then after that, if there is any PDF, he can attach here. Then firstly, he has to click on the upload button. Then he has to click on the save button. So after saving this particular second event of the particular agenda, this will show in the line record of the list of business. Accordingly, one by one, the particular user need to create every event of the LOB through this dashboard, according one by one. And for testing purpose, we have creating I have creating one more event for list for bill purpose. For bill motion or the bill, similarly you have to select the bill event from the drop down. Suppose in the agenda there is one event called bill for introduction. For that, you simply select the event time from the drop down. Then after selecting the event type as a bill for introduction, some of other text area will be open, like title of a bill, the bill number of the particular bill, the year of the bill, the serial number, the text area. Accordingly, you have to enter the detail of the particular bill. After adding all the details related to the bill, the user need to select the serial number 1 as a 3 for adding the third event of the particular agenda. Then if there is any attachment related to this bill, he can attach here. Then he has to upload first, then click on the save button. After saving this particular event, you have to select the ministry as well and department as well related to this particular bill. Then this way the third event will be added in your agenda. And there is one more option in this in our system. Suppose some department has sent the reports related to their department, how we can attach uh, particular reports directly which are sent by the department through their dashboard. So for that, similarly, firstly he has to select the report in the event type. Then he has to select the event accordingly. Then go, there is a one button called attach paper or show paper. For attaching a paper which are directly come from the department dashboard, like budget document and other document which are directly sent to the department dashboard. So simply for that purpose, user need to select or click on the attach paper button. Then he has to select the priority. Then select the paper, if paper is paper laid, or if he wants to enter the or attach paper in pending through pending paper, he can attach here. Then he has to select the date. Then accordingly he has to select or enter the department. if there is any department send any document, he can attach through this particular button in this particular event. So after creating a agenda from the his dashboard, the all the agendas or the event of the particular event, a particular LOB will be shown in the pending list of the list of business, uh, where a particular user can see the current assembly or the assembly of the particular list of business, session of the list of business, session date related to the particular list of business. Then in our system we have, after creating a agenda for the particular day through the LOB user, our system will be generating this agenda in two format. One is in the PDF format, as well as in doc format also. For seeing the agenda which LOB user has created, the user need to simply click on the original button. After clicking on the original button, the PDF format of the agenda will be open like this. After this creating an agenda, there is two option in our system. If particular user need to update or edit something in the particular list of business, in the action section we have given one provision called edit button, where you can update the particular agenda for a particular list of business while creating or clicking on this edit button. If he wants to delete this particular list of business before sending to the secretary for approval, we have given one provision to delete the particular agenda as well. Then for forwarding this agenda or the list of business to the secretary sir, or for approval, for that purpose we have to click on the submit button. After click on the submit button, this agenda will be sent to the secretary sir for final approval. Then you has to click, particular user need to click on the OK button. Then the particular agenda which has been created through the LOB user will be seen or sent to the secretary sir for final approval. Uh, then there is one more menu called submitted menu. All the submitted list of business are shown in this particular list, where uh, the assembly name will be shown, session name will be shown, the session date is also seen in this particular list. The LOB which has been created in whichever language will be shown in the doc format as well as in PDF format. Then the submitted date, submitted time, status of the particular LOB will be shown. And there is a one more thing called view button. Suppose LOB user need to see or want to see the agenda which he has been created or submitted to the secretary sir. For that purpose we have given one menu called view button. For simply he has to select the click on the view button, then the agenda will be shown accordingly. So this type where here every event will be shown accordingly one by sure. Suppose particular list of business user or the uh, table officer want to add an annexure which he want to reflect in the ebook in the particular house. So for that purpose, for adding an annexure, particular user need to click on the annexure button, then go to the upload new annexure. Then this type of form will be open, where assembly will be the current assembly of your Vidhan Sabha or Vidhan Parishad will be shown here. Session will be shown here. Accordingly, the user need to select or enter the session date from the drop down. Then he has to enter the title of the annexure. If there is any attachment related to the annexure, he can attach here. Then simply he has to click on the save button for saving this annexure. If he wants to see the annexure which he have been saved, for that we have given one search feature where you firstly you have to select the house, session date, then he has to click on the search button. The annexure which has been added through their dashboard will be shown in this particular list. As you can see, the assembly name, session date, document type, annexure, title of the annexure, attachment. You can user can see the attachment which he has been attached, and if he wants to edit the particular annexure or he wants to delete the annexure, we have given the provision. So for the approving of the LOB, the user need to go to the secretary sir will has to log in with their dashboard, and the particular LOB will be shown in his dashboard. So through this dashboard we can see how a particular user can create the agenda of the particular day. How after creating an agenda, the agenda will be shown in the pending list. Through the pending list there is three option where you can edit the particular event, you can delete the agenda, or you can send the particular agenda to the secretary sir or the hierarchy level for the approval. And the last menu is annexure, where you can see how we can add the annexure for the particular day. So last step is how secretaries sir approve the agenda through their dashboard. As you can see, this is our secretary sir login in his dashboard. There is one menu called list of business. All the uh, list of business or the agenda which has been created by the list of business user will be shown in the pending LOB paper, where secretary sir will click on this pending LOB paper menu, where all list of business list will be shown in his dashboard, where he can see the house, session date, PDF of the agenda in both language. If agenda has been created in both language, the PDF and the doc will be shown in its dashboard. The submitted date, submitted time. If he wants to see the agenda of the particular day, we have given one provision for a provision to click on the I button, where all the agendas or the event of the particular agenda will be shown accordingly. In his dashboard we have given one option called, if we see there is a uh, there is a attachment and he wants to remove or replace the file for the particular event, we have given one provision called attach. By clicking on the attach paper, and he can add or replace the file for the particular event as well through his dashboard. Then he can upload or he can replace the file through his dashboard. We have given one provision to attach or replace the file here. For approving the particular event or on the right hand side in the action section there is two button called return button or the action approve button. Suppose secretary sir wants see there is a multiple uh, flaws in the particular flaws, or there is some issue related to the list of business which are created by the LOB user. For that he has a provision to return back to the particular user who has created the LOB by clicking on the return button. By clicking on the return button, this particular LOB will be shown in the LOB user dashboard. Or for approving the particular LOB, user need to click on the approve button. After approving the particular agenda, it will be shown in your public portal as well. This is the way where how LOB user create the LOB through their dashboard, and the approval thing will be done from the secretary sir dashboard. So after approving this LOB, it will be shown in your list of in your public portal. So as you can see, so for seeing the agenda for the in your public portal, you simply go to the budget section, business section in your LOB. Then you have to select the session name. Then this type, uh, in this way the agenda will be shown in your public portal. As you can see, there is a attachment related to this on the first event, but now in the public portal the attachment is not showing in your public portal, is because the laying has not done uh, through the admin login. Before we are getting into the e-laying thing, uh, we have given one more provision called revised list of business. Suppose in your assembly or the Vidhan Parishad, the revised list of business has been done. How we can create or done the revised agenda for the particular day? For similarly, the LOB user need to log in with their dashboard. Particular agenda of the day, the LOB user simply go to the submitted list of the LOB. Then on the right hand side, there is a checkbox called revised, where if he wants to revise the particular agenda of the day, he simply click on the revised list of business. Then he has to similarly add a upcoming or the revised event of the LOB. Then he has to go to the save button. Similar way, the agenda will be shown in the pending list. Then same way he sent to the secretary for approval. So this is our list of business module, where you can see how LOB has been created through the LOB user, and then how secretary sir has approved the LOB through their dashboard, and which in which menu he can see the pending or approve LOB. So transfer the file for the house. Firstly, he has to, for e-link purpose, he has to select the session date from the drop down. Then he has to select or enter transfer all file for the house. Then for paper laying in the house, the user need to select or paper lay accordingly by clicking on paper laid in the house. Then he has for laying purpose, firstly he has to select the agenda from the drop down. Then go to the show paper laid list. If there is any attachment or the laying thing, he simply click on the particular event checkbox. Then he has to click on the update laid list button. After laying the particular event, the agenda, firstly you can see in the first event in the test rule 182 there is no attachment. After laying from the admin user, the attachment will show in your public portal or the in the ebook as well. So now you can see the PDF after the e-laying thing, the attachment will be shown in to the public portal as well. So this is our uh, LOB module and the e-laying module. If there is any query, do you have any query, or shall we close this session?